Hey guys, it's Kent here again with another Jack of all trades, and what we're going to do today is install door contacts for a security system, and we're going to be installing right here in this door, right on this door frame right here. Here's the materials that we're going to be using. We have the door contact here. This is actually going to be connected to the door frame, mounted on the door frame. This is a cover that's going to go over our two connections after we get it installed, just to protect those and hide those wires. And then we have the door magnet here, which is mounted onto the actual door. And then we have our mounting screws here. Now with these screws, I may actually use some other screws instead of these, because these screws aren't the best of quality. But we'll give it a try and take you through the process with just mounting these on the door frame into the door for our door contacts for a security system. All right, now the first thing we want to do is test the range that we have on these contacts. And basically what I have my meter set up here to the two contacts on the two connections on the contact that's going to go onto the door frame, and then I have my meter set to continuity setting, just to show us an indication of when this is going to make the connection with the other contact, and see how close or how far away we can actually get before we lose connection. So this will give us a better idea of exactly how to mount this contact on the door and the door frame, and the location, and how far of a distance we can have on it. Now I guess the standard distance is normally about 1/4 of an inch, but what I wanted to show you here is the distance on these Honeywells, and actually the different ways you can turn it so it doesn't have to be lined directly up with the arrow. If I can get down here, you can see the little arrow on that, and then on this one you can see the other arrow, and so it's indicating this is where it needs to be lined up towards. But you can also turn the contact like that. As you'll see, as I get closer, you'll hear the beeping. Okay, you hear that? That's showing that we have a connection resembling the door being closed, and then if you were to open the door or the window, we would lose that connection. Now I can turn the contact this way, bring it in, and we're still going to get that same connection. So that's about the distance that we can use with these here, and the different orientations. So the next step is figuring out where we're going to mount it on the door. So here you can see where I've chosen to mount the contact that goes to the actual door frame, and I just put it up there and used the Sharpie to mark it, and I'm going to drill it out and then mount the contact on top. You can actually use the hardware that we have or some tack screws to put it up there. After I get that, then I'm going to go to the contact that's going to be on the actual door and line it up. So as you can see now, I have both the contacts installed on the frame and the door. And what I'm going to do next is take this wire that I pulled. It's going to go to the panel, and I'm going to go ahead and connect to the top connectors on the top. And then I have this just the sticky conduit that comes down the side here and actually goes into the door frame. And there it is, the finished product on our door contact. So I put this conduit up here. It comes all the way down to the door. It's going to go in the door jamb right here. It's going to go to our panel.